Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to post IGTV on Instagram. So you go to the Instagram app and then you click on your profile, you click the plus sign and then you click on post. IGTV videos are normally videos that are more than 1 minute long. But if the video is less than 1 minute long, it will be posted as a normal video. So to post an IGTV video, you need a video that is more than 1 minute long. I'll be going with this one and then you click on next. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And then you click on the share button below. After that, your video will be uploaded on Instagram. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.